Well, kids in the independent school district will notice some changes when they go back to school in a few weeks. They're going to find some new playgrounds.
Yes, Matt Stewart is going to. Matt, you did pretty good getting down that slide.
I'm too big. I weigh too much. I had no business going down the tornado slide. I don't even know why I tried it. The things I do for you people. For live television, but yeah, no, this is fun, right? Isn't this a beautiful playground? I wish we had a playground like this when I was a kid, but I think my playgrounds, I think it was like cement bottom, and it was like rusty equipment that burned your backside when it was 100 degrees outside. This is not. These kids loving it, right? You guys, are you loving this?
Yeah.
You heard it there first, exclusive. She's loving it. And let's talk to her mom. Megan, come on over here. Megan McMurray is a parent, but also a teacher here in the Independent School District. What do you think about these new playgrounds?
I love it. Just the fact that my kids can enjoy themselves and feel safe, and it challenges different parts of their body, so that definitely helps them.
What was the old playground like?
It was definitely parts that you stayed away from. A little of them, they were safe, but at times you didn't trust them. My daughter went here for summer school, and one thing she said at the new playground, she's like, I can go anywhere and I don't have to be worried. So just knowing that she feels safe anywhere in the building and anywhere on the playground is awesome.
18 elementary schools getting new playgrounds. As a teacher, right, you see these kids play with them every day. What does it mean for the kids to get new play equipment?
They need that time every day to be able to get their wiggles out and just kind of explore and use their body in a way that they don't get to in the classroom. So having all of these new equipments for them to explore and play and be on their own without parental supervision and stuff, and be able to explore with their own body is really awesome.
Well, and the kids are, I mean, your girls are loving it, aren't they?
Yes, they love it. They were so excited when they got to come play today. So, and I love that it's right around the corner and a safe place for families to come.
I want to bring in the superintendent real quick. Dale, tell me a little bit about this bond. So this is a, $43 million bond that was passed in April, and the money being used not only for playgrounds, but for other things as well.
Yes, we had three main focuses with the bond issue. First of all, playgrounds. As you said, 18 elementaries are getting new playground equipment, but then also we had our fine arts, so auditoriums, band rooms, vocal music, orchestra rooms, and then we also had safety and security, which is our secured entrances at some of our schools that didn't already have secured entrances.
So I mean, just improving the educational experience here in Independence.
Yes, and we're so thankful to our patrons here in Independence. They're exceptionally supportive. We passed the bond at 85%.
Dale, you know it's like 110 degrees out here and you're wearing a full suit.
It is rather warm out here, but you know what? It's worth it to come out to highlight the ISD.
Should we go play on the playground? You look like you're ready to play.
I'll probably leave that up to you because I'm pretty sure I'd get stuck on the tornado slide.
I think Dale's about ready to go in for some AC, guys. Back to you.
Awesome job. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Matt.